After the latest iOS 26 software update, some iPhone users are not able to use the spatial wallpaper and spatial 3D photos conversion feature on their iPhone. iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, 16 Pro and Pro Max users have recently raised some issues related to the feature is still not working, and this is an update to our recent video where I suggested few tips and a basic understanding about how this spatial wallpaper will work on iPhone. Whether you are using iPhone 16 series or earlier models and the latest iPhone 17 model, if you notice that the spatial wallpaper icon or the spatial photos icon is not appearing on your iPhone when you open the Photos app and any particular photos, make sure that the photos has depth effect possibility. If it is a cropped photo or a landscape type of photo that is not possible to use the spatial scene feature, then Apple will not by default enable this icon on such photos. So this is an example, like it has a clear background and in foreground there is a subject. So I'm seeing this spatial wallpaper icon convert possibility. When I tap here, it will start to create the spatial scene with a beautiful animation, and now it is converted into the 3D wallpaper or a 3D photo. If this feature is not at all showing on your iPhone, for some reasons users follow some battery saving tip on their iPhone, in order to fix certain issues related to battery drain, and maybe they have disabled within the settings app when you navigate inside the accessibility, display and text size, the reduce transparency toggle. So make sure this toggle is off if you want the spatial 3D scene photo or the photo conversion from 2D to 3D have to work. And the next thing is come back to the accessibility settings page and navigate inside the motion. If the reduce motion is on, then you need to turn it off. This of course helps to prevent the battery drain related issues, but it also cuts down the features that the iOS 26 brings to your iPhone in order to save the battery. When you turn on the reduce motion, you will see the spatial photos converting option, the button on your Photos app. Within the Photos app, you can see that I'm able to generate the spatial scene also. It is generating and it is working within the Photos app. But when I try to set it as a wallpaper, you can see from the share sheet, use it as a wallpaper, and I'm tapping on the spatial scene icon. It has converted it to the 3D photo. Here you can see it is working perfectly, even though the settings, accessibility, reduce motion and reduce transparency toggles are on. But when I try to add it as a wallpaper and set it as a wallpaper pair, and when I come back and check here in the lock screen, the spatial 3D photo will not work. This is the reason why you are not seeing the spatial 3D photo feature is not working on your iPhone 16 or earlier models. When you turn this off and then when you come back to the lock screen here, you can see the 3D photo feature, the spatial 3D photo feature is working perfectly fine. So make sure the accessibility settings are off if you want to use it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you to fix the issue. If you find it useful, you may share it with your friends who are experiencing similar issue after getting their new iPhone and updating to the latest iOS 26. Thank you and have a wonderful day.